The most visited vacation destination in Istria is Poreč, which the Croatian National Tourist Office consistently names the best resort in the country. Over 100,000 beds are available in the area, but because hotels and other facilities are spread widely, it never feels overly crowded. Two bays called Zelena Green and Plava Blue Laguna, located south of the town, are the primary tourist destinations. They have multiple hotels, camping places, a marina, as well as commercial and entertainment districts, making them nearly like small towns. The majority of guests stay in one of the two. If you are in the center of town and would like to go swimming and sunbathing, take a regular boat to the adjacent Sveti Nikola Island. The journey is only a few minutes. The history of Poreč dates all the way back to the ancient era. Around 800 BC, an Illyrian tribe known as the Histri, from which Istria derives its name, made Pikuji, the greatest village at the time, its home. After several failed attempts, the Romans finally took control of Istria in 129 BC, and the Roman town of Parentium Poreč emerged. Today it gained power and significance, as well as Roman army and military installations. The large seaside promenade is a true treasure in Poreč. The entire ancient town is encircled by the so-called Lungomare Poreč, and a stroll through it will allow you to take in the wonderful atmosphere. Poreč is distinctive, especially the port panorama with the historical wall, the numerous pastel-colored townhouses, the fantastic restaurants and cafes, and the opulent yachts. This promenade also links the city core to the stunning coves and beaches along the coast. The coastal promenade also connects the two stunning green peninsulas Zelena Laguna and Plava Laguna to the medieval town of Poreč. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. The Basilica of Euphrasius, a UNESCO World Cultural Heritage Site, is the most well-known attraction in Poreč, one of the most priceless cultural landmarks in the world since 1997, and a World Heritage Site. It is somewhat obscured on a side street in the old town, just following the shopping street. The main square, often referred to as TRG Slobode, is a well-liked location for cultural and other events, concerts and minor festivals, particularly in the summer. Important sites are also close by, and it is situated directly at the start of the old town. Fantastic are the quaint cafes in the square, where you can take in the distinctive and occasionally boisterous ambience. On the central plaza is also the Gospe Odandela Church, built in the 18th century. The largest church in the city, it is particularly intriguing to view inside due to its beautiful paintings. Another great feature of Poreč and its surroundings are the beaches. Everything is available here, from fine sand beaches to clean, rocky beaches with white pebbles. Numerous of these beaches also display the blue flag, a symbol of excellent facilities, water quality and cleanliness. The city's most well-known swimming spots may be found on Lanterna in the north and on the peninsulas of Plava Laguna and Zelena Laguna in the south. However, two stunning beaches are very close to the old town and are located along the promenade. They are ideal for combining sightseeing with swimming and sunbathing.